Good evening, everyone. Myself, Shubham Gupta, student of second year mechanical engineering. I will be talking about the ISPG event that is conducted by ISRE. These are some points that I will be covering in this presentation. First of all, what is ISPG? Second, our participation in the last year, that is 2020, and also what are the benefits of being involved in this event. ISPG stands for ISRE Student Project Grant. This is a team-based project. Team usually consists of 3 to 4 members who work under assigned faculty advice. Every year, a list of topics is released by ISRE in which one can work on to propose some innovative solutions. Some of the topics that were mentioned by ISRE in the last year include indoor air quality, energy efficient equipment design in HVAC, building automation and IoT, and renewable energy in refrigeration and air conditioning systems. So these are not the only topics on which we can work on. We can work on any topic which finds any relevance in the field of HVAC. A maximum of 10 to 12 proposals are selected every year, which can be granted a maximum amount of 50,000 rupees. Now talking about our participation in the last year, that is 2020, two of our project proposals got selected. The first one is a UV-based air purifier system, and the second one is an atmospheric water harvesting system. The last year, 2020, Jadavpur University was the only university to get two ISRE grants in the very same year. These are the two teams who got selected. The four are from second year, and the above two are final year students. So now talking about the first project, that is the UV-based air purifier system. This basically deals with indoor air pollution. This is something that you might not be knowing of. The indoor air quality index is as much as 10 to 12 times worse compared to the outdoors in many places. We all know that we spend about 85 to 90% of our time indoors. The sources for this pollution are plenty, out of which uh, some are given in the slide, that are gases from aerosols and cooking, which usually accumulate on the ceiling surfaces of the kitchens, then dust particles, pests, and viruses like COVID-19. The symptoms of these diseases, which are caused by indoor air pollution, are quite common ones, like a headache, and thus they often get ignored, but later they come up as very severe and chronic diseases. So this is the setup model that we'll be using in our experiment. Our experiment aims to develop a air purifier system to combat the COVID-19. So here you can see the control unit of our system. It has all the switches and the indicators. Here you can see the coil, and here you have a UV tube, and here is the fan. So all these are the very essential components of our system that we will be using in our experiment. Now talking about the second project, that is the atmospheric water harvesting system. This project basically aims at converting the atmospheric moisture into pure drinking water, which meets the WHO standards. Also, here you can see a picture of a building rooftop which has plenty of compressor units. And we all know that these units emit warmer air to the atmosphere and thus significantly increase the temperature of our outer surroundings, thus contributing to global warming. Our project aims at reducing the CFC emissions from water dispensers to combat global warming, which is the biggest challenge that the humanity is facing at present. This is the schematic of the setup that we will be using for the experiment. This experiment is based on the Petlier effect that you might have studied in the higher secondary. Now talking about why to invest your time in this project. First of all, this is a great opportunity for you to get outside of the regular course curriculum that you are studying and to actually provide solutions of the problems that we are actually facing in the real world, which are practical enough to be implemented. Second, while pitching the ideas and filtering out the best ones, you will know the limitations, capabilities, and applications of various methods that you have studied until now. But it will give you a taste of what it feels like to be a part of the research project and how the things proceed in the research work. Now, obviously, this is a certain boon in your CV and a very good addition, which will provide you a certain edge over others while applying for industry jobs or research programs. And lastly, while working on this project in the due course of time, you will create great sense of bonding with the teammates and also get to exchange various ideas about new technologies such as IoT and automation and thus help build up a community. So these are the contact details. These are our contact details. You can contact us if you have any confusions or doubts regarding this event.